Hey, what's going on YouTube friends? Joshua here with Salty Scales. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a knot tutorial, more specifically the FG knot tutorial. Now you might be wondering, when do you use the FG or what is it? Well, the FG knot is a low, slim profile knot that essentially will slide through your guides, minimizing damage to your gear. It's also great for larger leader when you're tying for, say, for example, tarpon. I use it for tarpon fishing quite frequently. It's essentially a Chinese finger trap knot. So if you don't tie it properly, you will have knot failures. But if you do everything right, it'll never fail and it'll be the slimmest knot that you could tie. So come in closer, I'm going to show you how to do it. So one important factor that I want to bring to light is that you have to have a lot of tension on your rod or the line that's coming off of your rod. And the reason being is because you want no slippage. So you want to make sure this braid is laying tightly on your leader material. It's important. Don't overlook it. All right, guys, so take your braid main line and keep it tight. You can hold it in your teeth or anchor it with a finger or rod butt. The braid should stay straight and under tension the whole time, like we discussed. Take your leader line and lay it across the braid at a right angle. Begin wrapping the leader around the braid. Go over the braid, then under and back across. Each wrap should cross in the opposite direction to the last, over and under, over and under. Keep sliding the wraps upward as you go, keeping them snug and stacked. Now, a lot of people recommend doing about 25 wraps or so, but my personal recommendation is to make the knot at least an inch or larger. I find that I had the least slippage doing that. Now, after the wraps are complete, pull the leader tag and firmly set the wraps into the braid. You should see the braid grip tightly by the leader coils. Make 2 half hitches with the braid around both the leader and the main line, and then pull tight. And then I make half hitches around just the braid 2 times. You could trim the leader tag as close to the wraps as possible. It's not going to slip. And that's about all there is to it, guys. The FG knot in a nutshell, super strong, super effective, one of my go-to knots. So one of the important things that I want to mention, guys, is make sure that you tighten down your knot before you clip your tags. I think this is one of the most important parts, besides making sure the line is tight when you're working the knot. So all I do, if I'm on the boat, I'll hook it up to the cleat and I'll pull it. Or for this example, I'll hook it up to the boat trailer. So I'll tie it off to something that ain't gonna move. And then what I do is I just tighten down that knot. Now, if you'll look at this knot, you're gonna see that it really did tighten down on that line, and it'll drastically look different. Now what you do is, once you got it tightened down, you can go ahead and make sure your tag lines are really closely trimmed. And this baby shouldn't go anywhere. It's gonna be beautiful. Chinese finger trap. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, make sure you subscribe. It really helps me out. Hit that like button. That also helps me out. If you want to check out my other knot tutorials, I highly recommend you check out this playlist over my left shoulder. Now, I did a lot of knot tutorials over time, and I'm sure I'll do a bunch more. So if it helps you, pound that thumbs up button, comment below. What do you think about the FG knot? Until next time, I'll see you on the water.